Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're doing another test, RCI Crawler Crane mock test. Preparing for your CPCS RT02 Crawler Crane over 10 tons Blue Card renewal test. This test has 15 questions. So let's dig in. 1. Why is lowering the jib of a tower crane particularly important at the end of a shift? A. To save energy. B. To prevent wear and tear on the jib. C. To facilitate crane inspections. Or D. To allow the tower crane to weather vane in response to wind direction. The correct answer is D. To allow the tower crane to weather vane in response to wind direction. 2. What is the potential consequence if one or both tracks of a crawler crane start sinking? A. Improved crane stability. B. Crane becoming more efficient. C. Exceeding the maximum radius and potential overturn. Or D. No impact on crane operations. The correct answer is C. Exceeding the maximum radius and potential overturn. 3. What does the formula D plus D to H represent with regards to trench excavations? A. The maximum ground slope for outrigger stability. B. The minimum undercut depth for access. C. The minimum distance from the edge for equipment. Or D. The maximum depth for personnel access. The correct answer is C. The minimum distance from the edge for equipment. 4. When must RCIs never be overridden? A. Only during diagnostic testing. B. During routine crane maintenance. C. During lifting operations. Or D. Only during operator training. The correct answer is C. During lifting operations. 5. What is the recommended criteria for temporary or inbuilt access ladders? A. Rungs must be entirely smooth for easy cleaning. B. The rung must provide insufficient foot grip to minimize slipping. C. The center of the foot should not reach the rung. Or D. There should be sufficient foot penetration on each rung, and the rung must provide sufficient foot grip to minimize slipping. The correct answer is D. There should be sufficient foot penetration on each rung, and the rung must provide sufficient foot grip to minimize slipping. 6. When must ground conditions be checked for a crawler crane? A. Only during routine crane maintenance. B. Before carrying out static lifting duties. C. Only during pick and carry duties. Or D. after a crane has exceeded the maximum radius? The correct answer is B. Before carrying out static lifting duties. 7. What is the potential consequence of slewing too fast with a load, especially near the rated capacity? A. Improved load stability. B. Reduced crane wear and tear. C. Crane becoming more efficient. Or D. Load overshooting the landing place and striking a structure or object. The correct answer is D. Load overshooting the landing place and striking a structure or object. 8. What does the rated capacity indicator RCI on a crane provide warnings for? A. Only for weather conditions. B. Approaching maximum rated capacity. C. Operator fatigue. Or D. Routine maintenance. The correct answer is B. Approaching maximum rated capacity. 9. What are the requirements if the lifting of persons is to take place? A. Only a plan for evacuation. B. Additional considerations such as 6 monthly checks. C. Only regulatory paperwork. Or D. No specific requirements. The correct answer is B. Additional considerations such as 6 monthly checks. 10. Where should the hook of a crawler crane be placed when lifting a load? A. Anywhere above the load. B. Directly above the center of gravity for the load. C. At the center of the load. Or D. As close as possible to the load's edge. The correct answer is B. Directly above the center of gravity for the load. 11. What parameter in the formula D plus D bigger or equal to hour has a value of 0 for vertical trench walls? A. D. The horizontal distance. B. D. The sloped distance. C. H. The trench height. Or D. The equal to or greater than sign. The correct answer is B. D. The sloped distance. 12. Why does lifting guidance advise minimizing the moving of a suspended load overhead? A. To reduce crane wear and tear. B. To increase the efficiency of the lifting operation. C. To avoid obstructing the crane operator's view. Or D. To minimize the risk to workers and pedestrians. The correct answer is D. To minimize the risk to workers and pedestrians. 13. Why is it important for temporary or inbuilt access ladders to provide sufficient foot grip? A. To increase ladder portability. B. To enhance ladder aesthetics. C. To minimize wear and tear on the ladder. Or D. To minimize slipping and ensure safety. The correct answer is D. To minimize slipping and ensure safety. 14. What is a legislative requirement for lifting operations? A. Devising a lift plan. B. Thorough examinations. C. Daily checks. Or D. Operator training. The correct answer is A. Devising a lift plan. 15. If a trench has a sloped edge, where is the horizontal distance measured from? A. The trench bottom to the crane. B. From the foot to the top edge of the slope. C. The trench center to the top of the trench. Or D. Ground level to the highest point. The correct answer is B. From the foot to the top edge of the slope. The end. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.